Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ayomide Graphics. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to use AI to create amazing images step by step. Before we continue, kindly click the subscribe button, then click on it again to get all notifications. Now let's begin. Go to your Google Chrome, type Bing Image Creator, then click on the first on the list, that is www.bing.com. Wow, see something like this. That's if you have registered already. Now you import your prompt. So for you to get this prompt, you can check the description below. I've typed the prompt there. You can just try yours too as well. Wow, look at what we got. So we have 4 different images. Let me choose one. We are going to choose one so as to check the one we like, then we download. Okay, let me choose this. Wow, I love this. Now let's download this. You click on the 3 dot there at your right side of your phone, then you download. After that, now let us change it a little bit. Let us change from king to queen. Now we change the boy to girl, girl girl. Now picture where a girl in golden. I'm changing it to golden gown, sitting casually on a wingback chair wearing Jordan, or not Jordan. I will change it to heels, wearing heels. Sunglasses, wearing crown. I'll change it to she looks ahead. The background features the queen, not the king. The queen in a big capital 3D gold texture font. Back wall, home page. Now I'll change it to angel, provide name angel, and a photo that match. Now let's create. Let us see. Creating. Almost there. It's creating. Wow. Now let's check what is there, what is out. Wow, I love this. Let us check it one by one to see the one we like. I'll click on that. Wow, now look at what we got. This is the coin. Now let me check the other one too as well. Wow, look at this too. Wow, love the gown, like the style. Look at the posture. Wow, let us check another one. Let us create again. Wow, look at this. This is lovely. Let me check this. Wow, look at this one. Wow. I like the posture too as well. I really think I like these. Wow, let me check this one as well. Look at this. The queen is on the heels. The heels are so lit. I like the heels. And click on download. That's good. Now you can check the description below for the prompt. If you like this video tutorial on how to create amazing image for free using AI, kindly hit the subscribe button, like this video, and also comment on what you think about this video. You can also share this video across your socials. See you in the next video. Bye.